What's up everyone, John here at Tekmogo. Today I have something different, but kind of the same. These are the Blackpods Pros. They are a replica of the Apple Airpods Pros, and I must say, they're a great replica. I was really impressed with the Blackpods 2s that I had to pick these up and give them a try. I'll throw a link in the description in case you want to check these out. So today, we're going to unbox these, see what we get inside, and I'll go over some features and specs, go over how to pair these with your phone, and I'll let you know what I think of them. Like the Blackpods 2s, the box is very simple. It's all black with a picture of the earbuds in the front, and on the back, we've got some specs. Inside, we get a user manual, the Blackpods Pros, and a charging cable. The build quality on these are excellent. Just like the Blackpods 2s, they feel very nice in hand and have a premium look. The size, shape, and weight feel the same as the real ones. The case is made of a matte black rubberized material just like the Blackpods 2s. You have your power indicator in the front. On the back, you have your pairing button, and once again, a nice brushed aluminum hinge. On the bottom, you have your lightning port for charging, just like the real deals. This case also has a nice strong snap when closing the lid that will keep the earbuds nice and secure. The earbuds themselves are magnetized just like the real ones, so they won't fall out so easily. The earbuds are made of the same material as the case. There's some chrome hits on the tip and have the letter L and R to show you what ear they are for. Little details like this I really appreciate. The earbuds are also sweat and water resistant, so no problems using these in the gym. Now let me show you how to pair these up with your phone. Sorry Android users, I'll get you on the next one. This is super easy to do. Just have the case next to your phone, open the lid, and bam, the connect screen pops up. Hit connect and hold the button on the back, and voila, you're paired. I love that pop-up that shows the name of the Blackpods and the battery life. It's a nice touch. Now that you're paired, anytime you want to use them, just bring them close to your phone, open the lid, and you're paired, ready to rock and roll. Now the battery life on these are just like the real deals. 4.5 hours of listening and 3.5 hours of talk time on a single charge. And of course, having the case around will provide you with longer battery life as you can charge them in the case. Speaking of charge, this case is wireless charging capable, just like the real deals. So if you have a wireless charging pad, just plop them on the top, and there you go, they start charging. And when making calls, the mic is terrible. The person I called understood me, but it kept cutting in and out, so I had to repeat my words multiple times. But I mean, you can get by with them. I really wish they were better though. Now let's get into why I really like these. The fit. They fit me great. With the rubber ear tips, they fit nice and secure in your ear and gives a nice seal. And the sound is excellent. Now when putting these in your ear, they have that same chime just like the real ones. Now these are more bass heavy compared to the Blackpods. If the ear tips they come with don't fit you well, you can pick up some aftermarket ones that may fit your ears better. I got lucky, and the ones already attached fit me great. You can control music on the earbuds. Press on the sides once to play or pause, 3 times to skip forward, and 2 times to skip backwards. Press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Unfortunately, I couldn't tell the difference. The Blackpods Pros do sound great though, and having rubber ear tips seals out most of the noise anyways. Now as good as these earbuds are, they're not without faults. I really wish the mic was better and that noise cancellation actually worked. I also think tapping the earbuds 3 times to skip a song is a little wonky. I would much rather have it where you tap twice to skip forward and 3 times to skip back. With all that said, I really enjoyed using these earbuds. I've actually had them for a year now and they're still going strong. And at 60 bucks, I feel they're a great buy. They're easy to use and sound great. I wouldn't mind picking up another pair. So if you're in the market for wireless earbuds, you might want to check these out. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I appreciate you stopping by. Again, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button. It would really help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you're aware of any new videos I put out. Once again, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.